and my family.
But if he doesn't want her, why doesn't he just leave her?
Oh! That's what you want.
But what if he doesn't want to be with you anymore?
He wants to be with me. He's lying to her.
He is lying to her? When was the last time you were with him?
2 weeks ago. Oh, hell no, bitch! So you been lying to me?
I apologize.
No, don't apologize.
I apologize.
Why you keep doing this to me?
I apologize.
Why?
I was wrong.
I love you.
I was wrong.
Why you gotta keep doing it? You wrong. You keep being wrong. You keep doing it. Isaiah!
I do got feelings for you.
Isaiah, you told me you love me. You told me you love me. What do you mean? You cannot go home with her. I will stalk you and I will follow you. You're not leaving me. You're not leaving me.
I want to make it work with you. Consuela,
you want to make it work with her?
Consuela,
you want to make it work with her?
You crazy, Consuela.
So what? I'm crazy in love with you though. I'm crazy over you.
And
you play with my feelings. You broke my heart. You did that. So I'm not going nowhere. You're not going home with her. I'm not going to let it happen.
You trying to ruin my life.
I'm at your neck.
You trying to